Hunting is one of life's greatest joys. Whether you're after big game like bear or moose or dealing with coyotes threatening your livestock, the right rifle can make all the difference in your success. With so many hunting rifles on the market, ranging from vintage classics to the latest innovations, choosing the best one can be overwhelming. Some stand out as top tier, while others fall short. To make things easier, I've put together a list of the best hunting rifles available today. No matter your target or hunting style, there's a rifle here that could become your new go-to. Number 8. Savage 110 Hunter. The Savage 110 comes in a wide range of configurations, from precision rifles with MDT chassis to simple hunting models with polymer stocks. It's a well-rounded platform with options for different needs. For hunters, the Savage 110 Hunter is a reliable pick. Its stock design isn't flashy, but it's built for function, with added grip surfaces for better control in wet conditions. It also includes basic adjustments for length of pull and comb height, allowing for a more personalized fit. The rifle includes Savage's AccuTrigger, which is adjustable for pull weight, allowing for a more tailored trigger feel. But what really sets the 110 Hunter apart is its wide selection of calibers, ranging from common choices to niche options like 204 Ruger, 280 AI, and 7mm 08, alongside classics like 300 Win Mag. With all these features at a reasonable price, the Savage 110 Hunter is an underrated hunting rifle that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank. Number 7. Weatherby Mark V Backcountry. The Mark V Backcountry 2.0 Ti Carbon is an evolution of Weatherby's original Black Country series, designed to make the legendary Mark V action as light as possible for an ultra-light mountain rifle. The 2.0 model brings key upgrades, including the option for a carbon fiber barrel and a redesigned 3D print recoil pad. The rifle features the 6-lug Mark V action, using 2 rows of 3 lugs for a light yet strong design, specifically built for Weatherby's rebated rim cartridges. The titanium action and carbon fiber barrel keep the weight impressively low, just over 5 pounds with a 24-inch barrel, 6.5 Creedmoor I tested. The short bolt throw makes cycling smooth and effortless, and while titanium actions can be sticky, I found it to be a worthwhile trade-off. The full carbon fiber stock adds rigidity without much weight penalty. While I think the fit and finish could be refined, the grip and grip angle are very comfortable, which is crucial for shooting light rifles accurately. During testing, it performed well across various loads, with the average of my best 10 5-shot groups measuring .824 inches. I did notice that as the barrel heated up, groups started to open up, especially by the 5th shot. But for mountain hunting, it's those first 1 or 2 shots that truly matter. Number 6. The Ruger American 308. I might be a little biased, but Ruger delivers. They're known for making high-quality firearms at budget-friendly prices, and this rifle is no exception. You can usually pick up one for around $600, making it a fantastic option for hunters who want to fill their tag without breaking the bank. The free-floated barrel helps with accuracy, especially for a rifle in this price range, and the lightweight design means you won't feel like you just finished a full-body workout after a long trek through the woods. This rifle doesn't come with iron sights, so you'll need to mount a scope, which is easy to do thanks to the short Picatinny rail on top. It also features a rotary-style 4-round magazine, keeping the profile sleek and low. The downside? Spare magazines can be hard to find, both in stores and online. If you plan on long sessions at the range, that might be frustrating. But for hunting, where 4 rounds per mag is plenty, it's not much of an issue. At the end of the day, this is still an excellent deer hunting rifle for the price. Number 5. Marlin 336 Classic 30-30 Winchester. The Marlin 336 Classic in 30-30 Winchester is a true staple among riflemen, not just lever-action fans. Marlin has long been known for exceptional craftsmanship, user-friendly designs, and rugged, smooth actions. Now, under Ruger's ownership, these legendary rifles are being produced with state-of-the-art CNC manufacturing, making an already great rifle even better. This 7-pound beauty, featuring a blued steel finish and walnut stock, is more than capable of taking down most North American game. Its compact and agile design makes it perfect for hunting in tight spaces, while the lever-action mechanism allows for fast follow-up shots. With a 6+1 capacity, a half-cock notch, and a manual safety, it delivers both speed and reliability. The downside? It's not cheap. At an MSRP of $1,279, it's a serious investment, but one that delivers where it matters. And if you're thinking about getting one, don't wait. These fly off the shelves as soon as they hit dealers. We have 4 more awesome hunting rifles to look at on our list, but before we check out the next one, please take a second to click like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the great upcoming videos here on guns you can't live without. Number 4. CZ USA 600 Alpha. The CZ 600 series marks a complete departure from CZ's previous rifle actions, embracing a more modern design as the future of their lineup. The 600 Alpha is the budget-friendly variant, featuring a short-throw 3-lug bolt with an oversized round bolt handle for smooth operation. Its synthetic stock has some flex, but provides a comfortable grip angle and textured soft rubber inlays for a secure hold in wet conditions. The rifle has a slightly heavy barrel and target-style lines, making it well-suited for hunting and precision shooting, though extreme mountain backpack hunts might call for something even lighter. The 600 Alpha uses a detachable box magazine that requires a rock-in motion to seat properly. It also features a unique vertical crossbolt safety located behind the bolt, pushed down for fire mode. The threaded barrel allows for easy attachment of a suppressor or muzzle device, and accuracy is where this rifle truly shines. In testing, a 6mm Creedmoor model delivers an average 5-shot group of .814 inches, making it an exceptional performer for a rifle under $1,000. Number 3. Remington M700. Ask anyone what rifle they used to take their first deer, and there's a good chance the answer will be a Remington Model 700. These rifles have been around for decades and are built to last. Remington's reputation for high-quality craftsmanship is one of the reasons why law enforcement agencies across the country have relied on the M700 as their rifle of choice. Like the Savage 110, the M700 comes in numerous variants, making it easy to find one that fits your needs. One standout feature is that some models still offer iron sights, something that many modern hunting rifles have phased out under the assumption that hunters will always use a scope. While scopes dominate today's hunting scene, iron sights are still a blast to shoot with, and it's nice to have that option. For those looking for an heirloom quality rifle to pass down, the Remington M700 is hard to beat. Number 2. Tikka T3X Lite. Years ago, the Tikka T3X Lite in .270 Win was the first hunting rifle I bought for myself. It was also the rifle that introduced me to long-range precision shooting. Even after all this time, the T3X Lite remains one of the best rifles I've ever owned. It's incredibly accurate, simple to operate, and the bolt cycles like it's gliding on glass. Despite being a mass-produced rifle, it has the smoothness and precision of a custom build. True to its name, it's lightweight, coming in at around 6.5 pounds even for long-action cartridges. And with a price that rarely exceeds $750, it's a phenomenal value. That said, it's not perfect. The stock feels cheap. It does the job and has held up to rough use, but it lacks the premium feel you'd hope for. Another drawback is the lack of a threaded barrel. With suppressors and muzzle brakes becoming more common, it would be nice to see that feature as a standard option. Even with those minor downsides, the T3X Lite is an outstanding rifle, one that won't disappoint. Number 1. Ruger Gunsite Scout. Developed in collaboration with Gunsite, this rifle proudly carries the Gunsite name roll-marked on the receiver and engraved on the grip cap for laminated stock models. It features a 16.1-inch free-floating cold hammer-forged barrel topped with a Mini 14 SR 556 style flash suppressor. The overall length measures 38.5 inches and it weighs 7.1 pounds. While the flash suppressor lacks exterior flats, it can be removed using a T60 Torx inserted into the muzzle. Additionally, Ruger Guide gun-compatible caps fit this model. For optics, the forward-mounted Picatinny rail allows for the use of an intermediate eye relief scope, while Ruger's patented integral scope mounts, machined directly into the receiver, provide a stable platform for traditional scopes. The rifle comes equipped with iron sights and a protected non-glare front blade sight. The black laminated wood stock has a striking grain pattern with checkering on the forearm and grip for better control. It includes 3 half-inch spacers, allowing for adjustments to the length of pull to accommodate different body types, clothing, or gear. A lighter synthetic stock version is also available, weighing just 6.2 pounds. The bolt system uses a Mauser-style controlled round feed extractor, providing smooth and reliable feeding. The bolt handle, .760 inches at its widest point, has a rounded design for a secure and comfortable grip. A 3-position safety offers flexibility, with the forward position allowing the rifle to fire, the center position keeping it safe while still allowing the bolt to operate for loading and unloading, and the rear position fully locking the action. This rifle uses Accuracy International-style magazines and comes standard with a single 10-round magazine, while 5-round versions are available for hunting. The push-forward magazine release, located in the front of the trigger guard, allows for quick and easy reloads. That wraps up the list of the best hunting rifles you can get today. Whether you prefer classic lever action or budget high-end bolt guns, these rifles are built to perform no matter where you're hunting or what you're after. Now, here's a question for you. Are you taking a lever action or a bolt gun into the field? Drop your answer in the comments and let me know why. I'll be reading and replying, so let's talk about it. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. We've got some awesome content on the way. See you next time.